Thank you.
Thank you, Susan.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so welcome in the 11th session. First part consists of the geography of Maharashtra, and this is the geography of Maharashtra. Formation on the 1st May 1960, capital city of Maharashtra, Mumbai. It is the largest city, not only in Maharashtra but also in India. There are 36 districts in Maharashtra, and as far as area is concerned, the Maharashtra is also has a very large area, and total GDP as far as 2019-20 is concerned, $400 billion is of Maharashtra, and per capita of people in Maharashtra is 2,02,130 rupees, and GDP growth rate in Maharashtra is 8%, and official language of Maharashtra is Marathi. Now, as far as literacy rate is concerned of Maharashtra, so in India, Kerala is on the first rank, and literacy rate of Maharashtra is 82.34%, is noted in 2011, and sex ratio is 929 female per 1,000 male. So it is very shocking one that there is imbalance in male and female in Maharashtra. There are 6 major rivers in Maharashtra: Godavari, Tapi, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanandi, and these are western flowing rivers. Population in 2020 as estimated to be 123 million, 12.3 crores. Famous mountain of Maharashtra is Kalsubai Peak. It is the highest peak in Maharashtra, and hill station, famous hill station, Lonavala, Khandala, Amboli, Pachgani are also situated in Maharashtra. So these are 2 pictures of hill stations of Maharashtra, Kalsubai and Lonavala near Pune. As far as geographical features of Maharashtra is concerned, Maharashtra occupies the western and central part of India. So as the map of India shows, Maharashtra is situated in the western and central part of India, and it has a long coastline stretching 720 kilometers along the Arabian Sea. One of the most prominent physical features of Maharashtra is the Deccan Plateau, which is separated from the Konkan coastline by ghats. So these 2 pictures shows this is a very beautiful geographical feature of Maharashtra. Then Marathi is the official language of Maharashtra, and here there are some dialects of Marathi language. There are 38 dialects, we can say, but the major dialects are Maharashtrian Konkani language, Waradi Marathi, These are the dialects of Marathi language. In particular area, these Marathi languages are spoken. Tanjvar Marathi, East Indian Marathi, Judeo Marathi, and as far as in our Jalgaon and Dhule district are concerned, Airani Marathi. Airani Marathi is used. The dialect of Marathi, Airani. Writing system, Devanagari, Aryan Lipi, Devanagari Braille, and Modi Lipi. So now Modi Lipi is not used. Here it is a Modi Lipi. And so Marathi is the major language of Maharashtra. Famous rivers in Maharashtra. So there are 4 major rivers. So many rivers are flowing in Maharashtra, but Godavari, Krishna, Tapi, Girna. These are some major rivers in Maharashtra. Godavari River, sacred river of central and southern India, one of the longest rivers in India, and its total length is about 910 miles, means 1,465 kilometers, and it has a drainage basin of some 121,000 square miles. Ghats along the Godavari rivers in Nashik, Maharashtra, India. So origin of this river is in Maharashtra, Trambakeshwar, Nashik. So these are some pictures showing the rivers in Maharashtra. The next feature of Maharashtra, famous roads and highways in Maharashtra. So if you are planning on memorable road trip, as far as road is concerned, in Maharashtra, there are 5 best routes. Number 1, hill trips via Mumbai-Pune Express Highway. So this is the best one we can see as far as road or highway is concerned. And this picture shows, these 2 pictures shows hill trips via Mumbai-Pune Expressway, Mumbai-Matheran, Pune Bhimashankar, and Mumbai-Malshes Ghat, and Mumbai-Goa. So these are 5, we can say, routes as far as roads or highways are concerned in Maharashtra. Ghats and hills in Maharashtra. Maharashtra has an extensive mountain range running parallel to its 750-kilometer long coastline. This range is geographically part of the Sahyadris or the Western Ghats, which forms a crest along the western edge. So Maharashtra is also known for Sahyadri, or the name of official channel of Maharashtra, Doordarshan, is also Sahyadri. So it is the most important mountain ranges, parallel 700-kilometer long to coastline. The Sahyadri mountain range is home to number of highest mountain summits in Maharashtra, and these peaks are home to many hill forts built by great Shivaji. Kalsubai Shikhar, 1,646 meters. So it's all in Sahyadri. Salher, Rodap, Taranmati, Torna, Purandar, Mangitungi, Twin Peak, and Raigad. So these are the ghats and major ghats, hills and mountains of Maharashtra. Next point, male-female population in Maharashtra. As already it is explained, that's 929 female per 1,000 male. So it is very shocking as far as the ratio is concerned. Total population of Maharashtra as per 2011 census is. So as far as this population is concerned, so Maharashtra male to female ratio is very shocking one. 929 female only per 1,000 males, and it may this number is of 2011. So it may be different in this 9 or 10 years. So in 2011, male to female ratio for Maharashtra was 929 females as per 1,000 males. Though Maharashtra male to female ratio fluctuated substantially in recent years, it tended to decrease through 1921 to 2011 period, ending at 929 females. The government is taking various types of steps to increase the ratio of female, and so many steps are taken by the government of Maharashtra and government of India also. Maharashtra has the highest GDP among 33 Indian states and union territories. So as far as GDP is concerned, Maharashtra is the highest among 33. As of the financial year 2018-19, Maharashtra contributes 13.88% of India's GDP at current prices, followed by Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, and Gujarat, Karnataka. So, as far as the contribution in India's GDP of Maharashtra is concerned, the Maharashtra is highest one, 13.88%. Per capita income in Maharashtra, I have already told you, it is 2,02,130 rupees. Maharashtra ranks fifth with a per capita state income. So, as far as India is concerned, Maharashtra is on the fifth number of per capita income, and this is the number. Mumbai is on the first, $11,830 GDP per capita, as far as the people of Maharashtra are concerned. Then there is Delhi, Kolkata, and Hyderabad. So this is the condition of Maharashtra as compared to other states is good in GDP. Major services in Maharashtra. So there are 6 important industries in Maharashtra state: cotton, textile, chemicals, machinery, electricals, transport, and metallurgy. So besides farm, these are 6 important industries in Maharashtra. To attract industries to different areas of the state, the government of Maharashtra established Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation, MIDC. And MIDC is in every district to develop the industrial area in each district in Maharashtra. So it is formed in 1962. More than 2,000 industries with the fixed capital of $2.5 billion are in the state. Of the 2.5 billion power looms working in India, Maharashtra has more than 50% of them, comprising those running in Bhiwandi, Malegaon. These Bhiwandi and Malegaon, as far as the ratio of people on their caste and religion is concerned. So in Bhiwandi and Malegaon, so these 2 places are famous for Muslim population, Bhiwandi and Malegaon. Ichalkaranji, Solapur, Nagpur, and other textile clusters. There are in total 14 textile parks in Maharashtra. The top goods exported from the state include textiles, ready-made garments, cotton yarn, metal and metal products, agro commodities, engineering items, drugs, pharmaceuticals, and plastic items. Maharashtra is the country's largest exporter. In these things, Maharashtra is the largest exporter. Cotton, metal product, agro commodities, engineering items, drugs and pharmaceuticals, plastic items are concerned. So these are the major services in Maharashtra. Okay, thank you. So
Thank you, sir. Your nice presentation.
Thank you. Nice presentation.
So delighted.
Yes,
It's all
yes.
are green. I like your PPTs. Actually, your Maharashtra is so rich state, I think. All are rich. Just your culture and your everything is rich. Okay, make me host, sir.
You are host, ma'am. It's your turn now.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Do you see my screen?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, good evening and
Good evening.
welcome, my dear two partners and my dear students. All this is my teacher's identity. Geography of Rangpur. Rangpur city is the divisional headquarters of Rangpur division. The soil composition is mainly alluvial soil, 80% of the Tista River basin. Okay, just it's called actually polymati. Just our soil is so nice here. All our crops grow easily, and the remaining is bearing soil. The evaluation, the evaluation of Rangpur is 34 meters. The temperature ranges for 32 degrees Celsius to 111 degrees Celsius. Today here is Celsius is 9 degrees. Today our weather is so nice. Here rain also. And the annual rainfall average 2,931 millimeter. Rangpur town, covering an area of around 42 square kilometers, lies on the bank of the Khagat River and was turned into a municipality bank in 1869. Parks. There is a large military cantonment in the town, along with the Ghagot Park. Okay, this park is Ghagot Park, under its military surveillance. In addition to the famous places and restaurants are in the Ghagot Park. This is a park. It's in my house, just 1 kilo. Okay, near about. It's a so nice park, sir. Ghagot Park. Famous road of Rangpur. The most famous and most busy road of Rangpur region is called as RK Road. Most of the doctors, engineers, hotels, medicals, offices are in the RK Road, besides RK Road. So it is the most busy road of Rangpur because most of people of this town came here for their personal problem. It is also the main way to enter the city. It's also called as the Asian Highway. Okay, just this road connected in India also. Male and female population. The male and female population of Rangpur division is 15,78,758 and population density in 980 kilometers every per kilo. Okay, 51.18% of the total population is male and 48.82% is female. The male are 8,81,320 and female are 678. So here also female and male ratio is so in like Maharashtra. Is it correct, sir? Here female is male is 51% and female is 48%. Okay. Per head income. The per head income of Bangladesh people is a year is 1,88,500.38 Bangladeshi taka, and Indian rupees 1,62,898.48 Indian rupee. Okay, it's our per head income. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for all.
Thank you, ma'am. Nice presentation. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Short but sweet. Short but sweet.
Sir, just some inform we gave
Yeah, yeah,
last presentation. So
yeah.
just
Ma'am,
actual
I
our
request make.
actual
Mm.
yeah. Actual my city is so small.
Yeah.
Your Maharashtra is large.
It's so
You
large.
have
Large.
yeah, you have dialect, but my here is no dialect. Here only for Bengali we
Yeah.
speak. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, sir. I
Make me
make
host.
you host. Yes, sir. Sorry. Matra, sir, you are host.
Yeah, yeah. 1 minute. Can everybody watching screen?
Yes, sir.
Bachcha sir. Hello. Bachcha sir.
Yes, sir.
Are you watching
Yes, sir.
screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, yes. Good evening, everybody. Good evening. Salam, namaste, and my dear childrens, students, Prajakta and Sejal, and my respective colleagues. Again, good evening. My both colleagues are now shared about session number 11. The topic is geography. As per geography, as per geography of my region, Nashik. So, as per geographically, we are discussing the region Nashik, and there are 5 districts, including in this region. Nashik is so large, and then Nagar, Ahmednagar, and Jalgaon is my native district, and Dhule, Nandurbar. So, about discussing of Maharashtra, we know Maharashtra is second larger state in India, and also shared, Mr. Bachav sir also shared this point. Now, major languages just
Sir, excuse me, sir.
what? Yeah,
Your PPT is not visible, just small. I
Bachav
think.
sir,
WhatsApp, sir.
Bachav sir,
WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, yes,
hello. Are you watching
Sir,
screen?
yeah.
yes. Yes,
Ma'am,
But
make,
ma'am is
yeah,
make
ma'am
large
has
your
problem.
PPTs.
Ma'am has
yes.
problem.
Yes, yes, yes. Bus. Okay,
Ma'am,
Okay,
okay.
okay.
ma'am, yeah. So in this way, major languages are there. In Maharashtra, Marathi is uh, our mother language, and Hindi also spoken in our state. It is Hindi is a national language, and Urdu is also spoken in a large part of Maharashtra, and English is foreign language or international language, and Gujarati also is spoken in our state. Then Marwadi. There are sub languages and dialects. Irani is the dialects of Marathi, just discussed about it, and Gujar Thadi, Lewa Boli, Taudi. Pauri. Pauri is spoken by Adivasi people who live in forests or in uh, hills. So, in this way, these are the languages. Famous rivers in our district. Tapi is main river in our district. The first number Tapi, and ma'am, I suggest and also like to tell you that in agriculture in our district, the soil of the farm is very rich and black, and so the agriculture field has provided water from this river through the canal. And Girna is also second river in my district, and Wagur is also river, but there is a large dam in our district. Wagur Dam is the largest dam, water dam, and Purna, Panjra, Bori, Anjani, Hivra, Ratnavati, Arunavati. These are 10 rivers are in our state are flowing, and there are also some ghats as per geographically, ghats, hills, and mountains. Particularly Satpura curves or Satpura hills. There are some hills in this mountain, and this mountain divided both states, Maharashtra states and Madhya Pradesh states. Madhya Pradesh, or we say MP. So we know Indore, Bhopal, these are the main cities in this state, Jhansi, etc. So Satpura hills are also in our district, and Satpura ranges are main mount ranges of mountains in Maharashtra, and Kannad Ghat is also in our district. Roads and highways. In my district has also a highway. Highway is going from Howrah, Kolkata. There is a Howrah, we say. So Howrah to Surat or Hazra highway, which is going through my district. And the national highway number 3, it is called. And there is also biggest highway, Mumbai to Agra. We know Agra has a Taj Mahal, and it is very famous in the world. So Mumbai Agra highway is very longest highway in India, and state highways, Aurangabad, Jalgaon, Aurangabad is a state highway. On this highway, there is the Ajanta caves, which is the world famous. Now the ratio of male female population, and we know in this Jalgaon Taluka, 46.4% are workers, and the population is suggested there. There are some categories. This is the map of our state, Maharashtra, and we know there are 36 districts in Maharashtra, and there are some states at the boundary of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, like this. And this side, we know Arabian Sea, watching Arabian Sea, and at the Arabian Sea, there is a coastal line, and this region is called Konkan. Konkan is completely at the coastal line of Arabian Sea, and just Mr. Bachav sir also shared that the 720 kilometers are coastal line to Maharashtra. And this is also our region, and in this region, Dhule, Jalgaon, Nashik is a revenue region, and there are some districts. Income sources to the population are suggested on this picture. The ratio also just the workers and the ratio of household literacy, like this. This is the tower in our city, and this is the marketplace, the center place in our city, Jalgaon, like this. And there is also ratio of Jalgaon Taluka. Major services in our district: government employees, semi-government employees, private employees or private sector, contractual workers are also, and daily employees and farming laborers. There are some percentage of this category which we see there. About mountain ranges, we just say Satpura ranges or Satpura mountains, and we are watching in India. There are also some ranges of mountains. Arauli, Arauli is main. Arauli, then Vindhyas and Satpura ranges. It is called Satmala. It is called Satmala. This mountain ranges are in our district and divided to states. So we Ajanta also range, Ajanta range, and like this. These are the some ranges of mountains. Agra to Mumbai, I just said, it is the largest highway in India, from Agra to Mumbai, and it is on this highway there is heavy traffic, and many cities are located on this highway. This is Agra Mumbai highway, and not only this, there is also expressway. Express means you can travel with the largest speed from Pune to Mumbai. Pune to Bombay, we say Pune to Mumbai, there is express highway, and completely you drive on very speedily. This is also, now we are watching the some name of rivers, Krishna rivers. This is the valley of Krishna river. Mr. Bachab sir also suggested that Krishna, Tapi, Godavari, Girna, these are the some main rivers, and small, there are many small rivers which join to main rivers like Bhima. Bhima is also Krishna, Tunga, Bhadra, like this. These are the some rivers, and this is the pictures of rivers in our district. Uh, this is like this. These are the rivers in our district, and this is the largest dam in our district, Waghur Dam. It is called, and this due to this dam, many agriculture sector is in progressive. So the Maharashtra state has 6 major rivers. They are Godavari, Tapi, Krishna, Narmada, Mahanandi, and Western Godavari flowing rivers. Godavari river is the biggest river in Maharashtra, and Pravara is the smallest. The hills, Saptamala or mountain hills, the picture shows the mountain hills. A hill is a landform that extends above the surrounding terrain. It often has a district summit. The hill stations: Matheran, Mahabaleshwar, Lonavala, Khandala, Malsej Ghat, Bhima Shankar, Bhandara, Chikaldara, Igatpuri. These are hill stations in Maharashtra, and they are always tourists are always come to there to see and to get enjoy of hill stations. Major service of our region: energy production, agriculture, manufacturing industries, creative industries, banking and finance, wholesale and
Okay, carry on, sir.
Marathi sir has left. He will join. So we are planning for session number 15 and 16, ma'am. We are discussing students' role and teachers' role in session number 15 and 16. So in session number 15, there is a discussion and student will also participate in this session. 4 points are given.
Yeah.
Best 3 achievements. Best what do you learn? 3 insights, learning insights. Then what obstacles did you face? 3 obstacles. And what parts you didn't like in this project? 2 points. So on this particular point, we have to discuss all the 5 students. Then we 3, Marathi sir, I myself and you will discuss on these given topics. Then in session number 16, there is evaluation session and some links will be provided to us. Marathi
Yes,
sir,
I
you
saw
are
this.
host now. Marathi sir, you are host.
Yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
And evaluation forms will be given to us. Teacher or students
Yes.
will fill following evaluation sheets without support of anything or anybody. So this evaluation form will decide the success of our project.
Yes. Are you watching screen?
No, sir.
No?
No, no.
Go to
Again. Where you go to?
share
Share
screen
screen.
option.
Yeah.
Then share.
Yeah, yeah.
Recording is going on, sir.
Yes, recording is going on.
Okay, sir.
Are you watching? Bachchan sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, sir.
sir. Where was?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Now the last topic we have to discuss and the second part. Welcome everybody. Major service of your region. We just told that energy production, agriculture, manufacturing industry, creative industries, banking and finance, wholesale and retail trade, education and training, transport, tourism. So these are the topics in part 1, geography, and second, I request Mr. Bachchav sir, give me permission to discuss on second part.
Yes, yes.
I continue.
Continue, continue.
Yes. So about education, in part 2, what is the current status of COVID-19 in your country? Now, in our district and in our state, there is a lot of improvement to pandemic disease or situation, a lot of progressive. Now, there is also unlock. Everything is open in our district, Nilofar ma'am. Everything is open. There is no ban in our district from tomorrow. So the chief minister, Mr. Uddhavji Thackeray, the photo, and this is the situation in UP COVID crisis. So there is a large extent in Uttar Pradesh, but in Maharashtra there is so much
Right,
improvement. And India battles second wave of the virus, and many youngsters are dead
Aska
in this
paper daw to.
in this situation. India daily cases, the ratio, the map, and active cases, how it spreads. The virus that causes COVID-19 is mainly transmitted through droplets generated when an infected person coughs, sneezes, or exhales. These droplets are too heavy to hang in the air and quickly fall on floors or surface. You can be infected by breathing in the virus if you are within close proximity of someone who has COVID-19 or by touching a contaminated surface and then your eyes, nose, or mouth. You should be uh, banned. You should be close it. What safely, what safety measures are you follow in your place? Social distance. This is also important to uh, prohibit this disease or control on this situation. Use mask. Use sanitize. Each and every when you enter in our house or in your house, we should wash, hand wash, use the hand wash and wash again and again like this. Wear protect glass, avoid rushes, avoid functions, avoid marriage party, avoid healthy diets, and drink warm, hot water. So these are the good suggestion to prohibit this disease. How did you educationally keep in touch with your teachers, students during COVID-19 pandemic? It means that the last year, how you are, what is the situation, how you come to the contact of your students, the role of teachers, and the role of student, how the students come to contact their teachers. So these are some good thing. Online education and COVID-19 and assessment, it shows it is important to understand that a new era in education has begun with the destruction caused by the coronavirus. This new age of education is new for all of us. Studying at home is not an easy. So, uh, ease of access, lack of social interaction. What are the advantages and disadvantages to online? Along with most teaching methods, online education also has a set of pros and cons. Decoding and these positive and negative perceptions help institutions develop strategies for text, ensuring a seamless learning journey for students. It is important to understand that a new era in education has begun with the destruction caused by the coronavirus. This new age of studying is at home is not an easy subject. It is not easy to read and teach while fulfilling the responsibility of home. It is not an easy subject to learn from medium where students cannot be seen, should read or teach by looking at a device. So what innovation have you used for teaching and learning of your teachers or students according to teachers? We teacher can use this app, Diksha app. It is educational app. Diksha app is educational app. Uh, we can join to students, or students can also join through the Zoom app. Students can use Zoom app and WhatsApp and Google app, Chrome app, YouTube. These are important device in this pandemic situations, and we can use this device and contact or come to the students. India COVID-19 coronavirus by city and state. 4 June 20 last updated February 5th. India has recorded 2,16,919 total confirmed cases the last year and 6,075 deaths. So, 1,04,107 cure cases according to the latest update released by the Union Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on Thursday evening. So, in this way, uh, we face, or India face in a large to the coronavirus, and particularly Nilofer ma'am. Do you listen?
Yes, sir. Yes.
In India, Covishield and Covaxin. Covishield and Covaxin. Covaxin is produced in India. It is Indian vaccine, Indian vaccine, and Covishield. Both vaccination production in India in large. So we took the advantage of, or we many people, Indian people use both vaccines. So I have to ask you that which vaccine in Bangladesh people use?
Yes, sir. Now second dose is going on.
No, my question that
Your
in
question,
India,
your vaccine. Yeah.
which vaccine is
Um,
used in Bangladesh?
Actually, I don't know this what vaccine. So maybe
Yes, you
it's
can say,
India.
ma'am, in your topic, you can also discuss on this. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Now you are host, ma'am. Nilufar, ma'am, you are host.
Okay, sir. Thank
Stop
you.
sharing. Bharate sir, stop share.
Stop sharing, sir.
Yeah.
India has provided vaccines to Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Covishield.
Maybe I
Covishield.
think.
Covishield.
Make host.
Yes,
Nilufar,
sir.
ma'am, host.
Yes.
Yeah. Hmm. Do you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Current status of COVID-19 in Bangladesh. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, today's newspaper, when I in the morning, I wake up and see my newspaper. Today's heading is our country has COVID-19 is not so good, just increased death rate. Okay, it's not so good. It's 25%, 5% is increase. Okay, just I will show you what is the how many people are affected. 7,867 people are COVID affected in Bangladesh by 59,29,335 tested, and death of them 12,758 already has died. Okay, vaccination situation, just person registered only 72 lakh 48,829 people are registered, and first dose taken is 1,70,029 people, and second dose is going on, just 72,521 people is take the second dose, and now is short. So when it's come and it's continue our second dose. Okay, but here increase all time, day by day. Actually, death rate is increased and not so good. So in this causes our school is not open. Do you suffer from COVID-19? Yes, sir. I suffer from COVID-19. Okay. And I was isolation is 40 days in my house is one room. Okay. It's a exciting, just a bad experience in my life. Okay. 14 days, only one room. I only was alone. Yeah, I live there. It's really so bad for me. At first, when I was affected in COVID-19, I was too much scared because I had a flu and I had some cough. My temperature was not so good. But by the grace of Almighty, now I am safe and feeling good before then. Okay, I'm now fine.
What kind of treatment have you taken?
Actually, just some I take some medicine, and just it's for fever medicine, okay, and not regular. I checking my oxygen, how it is, and temperature also. Just it, just some tablets only for fevers, not take a higher medicine, not. But now I not vaccine. I don't get vaccine. But I registered. Vaccine will come. I will must get it. Okay.
Okay.
Safety measure that the following in my place: here, cleaning hands often, cough or sneeze in your bent elbow, not your hands. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, and mouth. Limit social gatherings and time spent in crowded places. Avoid close contact with someone who is sick. Clean and disinfect frequently touched objects and surfaces. Education during pandemic time, how is? Just last year, we all time we take this decision for learning at home. The government of Bangladesh started a television program and radio program named as Ghare Boshe Shikhi, means learning by sitting at home. Ghare Boshe Shikhi. This poster is my school. Okay, I just show the poster in my students. Ghare Boshe Shikhi. Here, when time they are sitting their house on the television, radio. Just because our students have not devices, actual device problem.
In Maharashtra, we have
Sir, any
Tilimili
question?
program. Tilimili.
Tilimili.
Yeah, Tilimili program for primary
Means?
students up to 8th standard.
Oh, it's only for primary. Ghare Boshe Shikhi. Just learning by sitting at home. Yeah. We teachers just take class in TV and radio. Okay. Learning in pandemic, actual school, just class 5. I think they have a board examination, PSC. So I take this only for class 5. I go in a house and I call them, and this way just with social distancing, I take this class in this way. Okay, just their house. And weekly worksheet are given from door to door in pandemic time. It's now going on. Today I also went to my school, and today another sheet I prepared there. I will give them this worksheet. Okay, just one day we give the worksheet. 1 week, after 1 week, we back our worksheet and we evaluation this students, what is the learn in this 1 week. Okay. And during the pandemic, we visit all our student house to give them foods. The biscuits, we give them biscuits. We visit our every students, and door to door we give them these foods. This is my education officer. It's these people are in food program officers. What innovation has been used for teaching and learning by our school at Pandemic. Actually, nowadays, Google Meet is used by our school for teaching and learning at the pandemic time. The government of Bangladesh told all schools to start online classes by Google Meet. It's only primary school, not high school. So now the teachers are, me also a trainer of Google Meet, and last 2 days I trained my teacher, my colleagues to go how to use Google Meet, how to take class in Google Meet. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Nice information you have given.
Thank you, sir.
How education
Yeah.
is going on.
Actually, sir, yes. Actually, sir, my busy for this purpose, so I can't make good PPTs and large PPTs. Okay, just
Okay.
I was busy for this purpose. Okay, sir. Thank you. Now me make host Bachchu sir. You.
Yes, yes.
You host. Sir, you host.
Yes, yes, I am host.
Oh, okay.
Okay, welcome once again in the second part of this session. And we are discussing this part about quality education and especially education system in this pandemic situation. So current status of COVID-19 situation in India and Maharashtra. So for your kind information, ma'am, Maharashtra is
Yes.
the most sufferer state as far as this disease COVID-19 is concerned in India. And in Maharashtra, the number of COVID patients is bigger than any other states in India. Now, this is the graph of second wave of COVID-19. The latest one on 5th June 2021. So now the number of patients is decreasing slowly. And as Marathe sir has already told that lockdown is opening according to the condition of every district. So the authority is given to particular district collector whether to open or not. So as far as our Jalgaon district is concerned, that the ratio of the number of cases is below 5% now. And from tomorrow, everything, all the stores and malls will be open. So this is the graph. Day by day, graph is also available. So on 5th June, the graph is declining slowly. And we can say that it is the end of the second wave of COVID-19. but the experts are also warning that there is third wave and it is dangerous for the children below 18. Below 18. In the first wave, the person more than 45 age are affected mostly. In the second wave, the age group between 18 to 44 affected mostly. But now the children below 18 will be affected in the third wave. So the government is preparing for the third wave. All the hospitals are being ready for the third wave. And in India, these two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, are vaccinated to the persons. There are also some other vaccinations available. These vaccination are available free of cost and also available in private hospitals also. So we have to pay in private hospitals up to 600 to 1,300 per vaccine. So did you suffer from it? So luckily, I am not suffered from this because I
You're not. So
for
nice.
the
So nice, sir.
for the last 1.5 years, I decided to remain at home as far as possible, not to go out of the gate. Whenever it is time to go, then take precautions, washing hands, using mask, sanitization. So because of blessing of God, I can say. So I'm not suffered from this disease. My the headmaster of my school, assistant headmaster, and some teachers affected, but luckily only few of them, because it is the staff of 60%, 60 teachers in 60 teachers and non-teaching staff, and only few of them affected of this disease. Is there any casualty of your relatives? So yes, there are so many relatives, friends died because of this disease, and I can't go to their funeral ceremony also. So this is very bad experience, because in India we always share our thoughts and feelings, especially in such situation. But we are unable to attend the funeral ceremony because of the pandemic situation. So it is very bad experience, not only for me, but to all the persons. So this is the graph of Maharashtra. Age-wise distribution of COVID-19 cases: 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. And this age group, 31 to 40, is mostly affected in Maharashtra. And second number, the age group between 41 to 50, 25,046. So this is the situation. And here are some pictures of hospitals. First picture, hospital preparing hospitals for this pandemic situation. Second one, some exercise for COVID patients, because they are suffering not only physically, but they are disturbed mentally and emotionally also. As you said, that you scared very much when you came to know that you are affected with COVID-19. So the same happens with everybody. And so such types of exercise is given. In the third picture, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhav Thackeray, is given vaccination. So such types of videos and pictures published because of illiteracy, we can say. So many people are not ready to take or to vaccinate themselves. There are so many rumors about vaccination. it may happen in Bangladesh also. What about in Bangladesh? People are ready to vaccinate themselves? Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So innovations I have used for teaching. So mostly in our school, we use Zoom app, and we took 4 periods every day with the help of Zoom app. But as the same problem you faced because of
Sir,
unavailability.
last, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, here, actually my internet problem, I can't hear your speech. Sometimes just crack. Okay, you
Okay,
carry on.
okay,
sir.
okay.
Yes, yes.
So mostly
Ma'am, but
we use Zoom app, and regularly our Zoom app started, but only 15 to 20% students can attend the classes. So how is it possible to continue education? So it is the major problem in front of us. Then we also use some Google Forms for test. We share YouTube links for our students, and also, as Marathi sir has told, Diksha app, we inform students that there are telemili program on national television, so they can watch those programs. Then we have also Swadhyay. Government has started on WhatsApp. Those students who are unable to attend the Zoom meeting or Google Meet meeting, Swadhyay is given on WhatsApp every week on Saturday, and they have to solve only 10 questions of language and maths science will be given, and within a week they have to study at home and answer the Swadhyay, which depended on particular topic of the textbook. So in this way, situation is very difficult as far as education is concerned in pandemic season. So in this 1.5 years, the students and teachers are very much disturbed because of lack of instrument. We can't do, and sometimes we also went home to home for continuation school, but it is not possible every time because of the pandemic situation. So that's enough for the day. Thank you very much for attending
thank
the 11th session. What about
thank
our
you,
next
sir.
session tomorrow?
One minute, sir. Bachao, sir. I would like to tell students COVID, how the word create COVID. I would like to tell students CO means corona. Co means corona. V means virus, and I means infected. D means disease. So how in this way the word create COVID, and
Yes.
it is in uh, 2019. So COVID-19, corona virus infected disease in
Uh,
2019. So we say COVID-19.
only few seconds left. Tomorrow
Yes,
we
yes.
have one meeting at 4 p.m. Indian time, ma'am. Is there any problem?
Well, I'll try, sir. Actually, I have no PPTs.
Okay.
Today night.
Then share up to 3 p.m. Indian time.